City car. City car.
Texas DPS continues to encounter a wide range of situations,
Hey, wait, hey.
from high-speed stops to hidden compartments and felony arrests.
Everything's just empty. We just fell. All right.
In this fall 2025 overview, we look at recent DPS operations across South Texas and the ongoing effort to keep the South Region roadways and communities safe,
¿De dónde vienes?
focusing on traffic stops, roadside encounters, and felony apprehensions. A DPS trooper attempted to stop a pickup for a traffic violation near Laredo. The driver fled, leading to a pursuit.
3 boy 107 Laredo. Show me 1080. 3 boy 107. Show me 1080.
So 107 is on the 20. And vehicle?
It's gonna be a white F-250 on Santa Maria, heading southbound. 28 John Charles.
All non-emergency traffic for 3.107 will be in a pursuit heading southbound on Santa Maria, license plate John Charles.
Two hits, 2078, 3 hits now. Off River up, Flat Rock.
We're approaching Man Road. Approaching Man. Hey, troop, block it right there. It's going slow.
Man Road heading southbound.
Hey, wait, hey, you got a gun? Hey, right there,
When the vehicle stopped, multiple passengers exited and ran in different directions. According to DPS, several individuals were later located with assistance from supporting units. The driver had a prior felony conviction and previous removal from the U.S. and was arrested by DPS for smuggling-related charges and evading arrest. In Zapata County,
Expired 28th.
a trooper stopped a box truck for an expired registration tag.
Texas Highway Patrol, read your stuff. You have expired license plates since April. Yeah. Got your driver's license, your insurance on hand. Where you headed to today?
George West.
George West. Okay, where you coming from?
Just around what's it called?
They got like all their paperwork in a notebook and everything like that. Well, that's something. Scaled. I guess when you got weighed or they weighed the truck. Well, this is back in May when they weighed it. It's all right with you and you get your permission, you give us consent to search, or could you open that up? All right.
Everything's just empty. We just fell.
All right. How much do they usually go for?
300,
how much do you-
I think.
300 for that? So none of these things got liquids in? Are they all empty?
They're all empty.
They're all empty, okay.
Look them up, bro. You got a compartment. Well, you got a compartment. I don't know if there are people in here, but
Really?
yeah, it's a compartment.
These are questions. It's my duty to advise you before your rights and warn you of the consequences of waiving these rights. Okay? So, is there anything you want to explain to me? Or tell me what's up in there?
I don't know, so I'm just.
You don't know?
I'm just doing your job.
You doing your job? You gotta pick it up. No se mueve. ¿Hay niños o nomás ustedes? Anda, tranquilo. ¿Cuántos son? 4. We got 4.
Inside a concealed compartment, DPS located 4 individuals who were being transported illegally. The driver was taken into custody for smuggling-related offenses and was confirmed to be residing in the U.S. without authorization. A trooper encountered a man walking along Highway 90 near Del Rio.
Vamos para acá, por favor. ¿De dónde vienes, sir?
Yo soy guatemalteco.
Cuando me dio su nombre, ¿verdad? ¿Usted tiene otro apellido que se llama González?
¿González?
Sí.
Sí, que aquí solo usaba EQT.
¿Mande?
Aquí nomás usaba EQT.
Jorge Cute González, ¿verdad?
During the roadside check, DPS learned he was in the country unlawfully and had a previous felony conviction involving a minor, along with prior removals from the United States. He was turned over to federal authorities. Stay tuned.
Steady car. Steady car.
We get a quick look at how some of these arrangements are made online.
No. It's like you get on there and then people make posts like, I need a ride here, I need a ride here.
It works almost like a rideshare app, but the driver didn't know one passenger had a felony record. And later,
Got him in there.
brush teams track a subject through thick vegetation after a camera activation.
Policía del Estado, levántense.
If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to see more incident releases. In Laredo, a trooper stopped a vehicle for a traffic violation.
¿Por qué no tiene licencia?
La verdad que yo tengo rato aquí.
Ok. Pues manejando es un privilegio. Si va a andar manejando, necesita que tener licencia. ¿No tiene licencia mexicana?
No.
Tampoco. Ok. So, ¿va a seguir manejando el carro sin licencia? Párate acá. Ahorita con lo que me estás diciendo, me estás diciendo que tienes algo.
O sea, no tengo nada. Mire,
Bueno,
yo soy sincero.
si yo te corro y ya tiraste tu tiempo, no va a salir nada.
Ah, bueno, pues no
Porque yo no soy inmigración. ¿Ok? ¿Estás teniendo lo que voy a hacer?
During the stop, DPS learned the driver was in the country illegally and had previously been convicted on drug distribution charges before being removed from the United States.
Ok, amigo. Volteate por ahorita. Volteate. Dobla los pies. No, pues, ven. Si quieres ponerte así, ponte así. Estás detenido ahorita.
He was taken into custody without incident. A trooper stopped a Dodge Challenger in Maverick County.
Steady car. Steady car.
Coming from Dallas. From Dallas?
Yeah.
Okay. For them, that's for a ride. Where'd you pick them up?
I picked him up at the gas station.
What gas station?
I'm not.
You're not from here? You might step in on a car from here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So right now you're coming from Dallas?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I made a stop in Del Rio.
Okay, so you came from Dallas to Del Rio?
Del Rio.
And what you do in Del Rio?
I slept at the hotel.
You slept at the hotel? Sinceramente, de Venezuela, México, Honduras. Okay. So. Vente. You get it for me?
Troopers removed 3 individuals from the vehicle, and according to DPS, one was a previously deported felon with a prior conviction involving a minor. During the stop, the driver said he did not know the passengers and indicated he had been directed to the pickup location through an app.
You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes, sir.
Having these rights in mind, are you willing to waive these rights and speak to me? What's that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nah, man, let's be honest.
And to be honest, I got walked into this. I didn't know what was going on.
Or the Facebook marketing type of thing.
No. It's like you get on there and then people make posts like, I need a ride here, I need a ride here. And about like $500 just to...
$500 per person, $500 per 3?
No, just to come out here.
Oh, just to come out here?
Yeah, they was real skeptic. And then when I finally got here, like we just ain't been on the road for 20 minutes. Man.
Yeah.
And like they were like showing, I was like, I'm not comfortable with doing this and stuff like that. And so at first I was like, I ain't gonna lie, I was gonna pull over and we gonna, because once I seen you behind me, I was like, I knew you was coming, so I already knew. But
The driver was arrested on smuggling-related charges. DPS mounted patrol, and a K-9 team responded to a camera activation on private ranch land in Kinney County.
What you got? Oh. Got him in there? Hey, No mueves. Levántense. Policía del estado. Levántense. Levántate. ¿No tienes armas? ¿Navajas?
No, nada.
Nada.
Estoy solo yo.
¿Tu mochila?
No traigo.
Ven, conmigo. No se corre. No corres.
Troopers tracked a male subject through dense brush and located him hiding in thick vegetation.
Sí.
No, ando solo.
¿No hay nadie más?
Nadie más.
Está bueno.
No es que quería ver a mi familia y quería ver pasar, ¿sabes?
Está bueno.
DPS later confirmed he was a previously deported felon. He was turned over to federal authorities. As these incidents show, DPS troopers continue to handle a wide range of encounters every week, some routine, others unpredictable. Their work helps keep roadways and communities safer, and the footage provides a clear window into those daily challenges. If you found this update helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more law enforcement incident coverage from around the country.